In this video, I'm going to show you how to add buying power on ThinkorSwim live trading. So increasing your buying power on ThinkorSwim depends on your account type and available funding options. So to deposit funds into your ThinkorSwim account, to add cash to your account, just simply log into your TD Ameritrades account and then go to the My account and then deposits and transfer. But first, to let you all know that TD Ameritrades is limited to some countries, so it only available mostly to USA and some country near with it. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you the exact steps here in TD Ameritrades, but listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along. So assuming we have an access here in TD Ameritrades. So like I said, just go to the My account and then deposit and transfer and then choose a deposit method. It could be a ACH or linked in bank account. Typically, it takes 1 to 2 business days. And then for the second options or deposit method that you can choose is a wire transfer. This is a same day processing if done early. And then the last one is the check deposit that can take up to 5 business days. So now if you have a cash account, you can now upgrade a margin account for additional buying power on the ThinkorSwim. So go to the client services, my profile, then elections and routing, and then find margin trading and apply for approval. And then once approved, your buying power will increase by allowing you to trade with borrow funds. So note that margin trading carries risks, so make sure you understand the terms before using it. So now to check buying power in ThinkorSwim to see your updated buying power, click on the monitor tab and then check the account info sections and then your net liquidation value, and then the buying power will be displayed. And then to use a cash sweep or a sell positions in here, so if you need to have a free up funds, sell existing stocks or options to increase available cash and then enable a cash sweep features to maximize investment funds. So that's it. So if your deposit is still processing but you need to buying a power immediately, contact TD Ameritrade support to see if they can provide temporary access. Okay, and that's it. That's how to add a buying power on ThinkorSwim live trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.